Earlier this summer, record-breaking flooding along the Arkansas River swallowed parts of the state. It left millions of dollars of damage in its path. Half a year later, as you can see here in this video behind me, the cleanup continues. Stephanie Sharp has an update from Yell County, one of the hardest hit areas.
This is the Arkansas River, and about 6 months ago, it historically flooded. Everything that we're standing on was underwater. 6 months later, the road here is still closed. The county judge says, even though it's been a while, he is pleased with the progress.
Everyone's been working hard.
It's been a long time since the Arkansas River flooded out of its banks, but for Yell County Judge Mark Thone, it's like it was yesterday.
It seems like every week I've dealt with levee issues or the levee task force or meetings with the local levee board.
This is video from the summer when the Hollow Bend levee breached, putting a huge hole in the highway. This is what the same plot of land looks like today.
We'd rather not had this damage, but yes, everything seems to be progressing.
He says construction crews have been working around the clock in Yell County, including his own road department.
We worked endless hours. We had some roads that were totally destroyed.
Highway 155 is the only road left closed in Yell County. Thone says they have applied for a few grants to help fund the cost.
There's a $1.5 million grant. We have some damage in a remote area on the Petit River that we applied for a $300,000 grant in that.
They're still waiting to hear back before those projects can begin. Mother Nature taking out the land in seconds, but Thone says building it back up will take even more time and money.
They've done a lot of work, and it might not look like it to someone who didn't know what the hole looked like before.
The county judge says the crews working on the projects are local. They're from the Yell County, Pope County area. He says even though there's still a lot of work that's left to be done, he's happy with what's happened so far. In Yell County, I'm Stephanie Sharp.